This video about how to install the CPU or processor, CPU fan, and memory module into a computer motherboard. Locate the alignment keys on the motherboard CPU socket and the notches on the CPU. Gently press the CPU socket lever handle down and completely lift it. Remove the CPU socket cover. Align the CPU pin 1 marking triangle with the pin 1 corner of the CPU socket and gently insert the CPU into position. Once the CPU is properly inserted, then lightly replace the load plate. Now, apply an even and thin layer of thermal grease on the surface of the installed CPU. Push the CPU socket lever back into its locked position. Before installing the cooler, note the direction of the arrow sign on the male push pin. Place the cooler atop the CPU, aligning the 4 push pins through the pinholes on the motherboard. Push down on the push pins diagonally. You should hear a click when pushing down each push pin. Check that the male and female push pins are joined closely. After the installation, check the back of the motherboard as shown in the picture. Finally, attach the power connector of the CPU cooler to the CPU fan header on the motherboard. A memory module has a notch, so it can only fit in one direction. Follow the steps below to correctly install your memory modules in the memory sockets. Note the orientation of the memory module. Spread the retaining clips at both ends of the memory socket. Place the memory module on the socket. As indicated in the picture, place your fingers on the top edge of the memory, push down on the memory and insert it vertically into the memory socket. The clips at both ends of the socket will snap into place when the memory module is securely inserted. If you find this video useful, please like it and share it. Please subscribe this channel. Click on bell icon to get notification of new videos on computer and solutions. Thank you for watching this video.